Hey guys, it's Mona Blue and welcome back to my channel. Excuse my hair, y'all. I wanted to dedicate this video to my unboxing, okay? So I did post like a previous video. It was like 3 minutes long, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. And just to announce that I started my natural hair care business. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I'm excited, so excited. But I ended up ordering a couple of things first. So far I have just been experimenting everything, like with the oil. I have a rose oil coming out. I will let you guys know when it is available. But I finally got some of those materials. Please ignore Kobe. This little boy works my nerve. Move. He want to be in a video. That's so. I just wanted to do an unboxing with y'all. So let's get started. So I ended up ordering some bottles, y'all, because I wanted like the little dropper bottles for my oil. They're only 1 ounce. I got them off of Amazon. I did find some other companies like Container and Packaging for one, but a lot of those major companies that sell bottles, they don't come with the option of getting the tops with it, so you have to buy the tops separately. And I just ended up, I was like, I don't want to buy like 100 something. Like the minimum I could buy like 120 bottles, and I was like, just starting out, I didn't want to buy that many. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just get these bottles. Like, unfortunately it cost about the same or like a little bit more or less to get 12 bottles with the tops on it than it would for 120 bottles without the tops, or even with the tops, it's been like maybe $40. I'm just like, I might as well just, you know, took that L and bought $120 and spoke this into existence, so I have to buy no bottles, you know. But it is what it is. Live and you learn. But I wanted to open that with you guys, and I wanted to add accessories as well. So let me back up. My business name is Hair Chemistry, y'all. Follow my page on Instagram at myhairchemistry, and that'll give you all of the details. I do plan on launching within the next week or so. Really excited about that. So we shall see, but I did get some inventory for that as well. I think the rose oil might just be put on hold, maybe like for a week or something, you know, because I still have to get the rest of my oils for that as well. So let me just start with my bottles. These are the bottles that I got. There's 12 in a pack, and I bought 2 of these. And I did open up one because I just wanted to, you know, see how my oil looked in it. And it is so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. If you follow my Instagram, you'll be able to see a photo of what it looks like. But these are the bottles. And I just have to sanitize them and everything. But this is 1 ounce. Like, to me, it's pretty big for a 1 ounce. Like, I don't know what I thought 1 ounce looked like, but it was this. So I think eventually I'm gonna get like 1 ounce and 2 ounces and then go from there. Because glass bottles, I mean, they're cheap, but they can be expensive. And I think eventually I want to do plastic bottles. It's really just the oil, like getting all of that oil. And then the vendor I wanted to buy from for my oil, they're out. They've been out for like 2 months. And I'm just like, I need my oil, okay? I need it. But also, it came with these little droppers here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it came with these droppers. And like I said, I did buy 2 of these. So I'm going to show you next my bonnets and edge wraps. So I want to sell accessories as well. At this point, it's the Kobe and Mona show because this is ridiculous. I want to show you the bonnets as well. So I'm trying to sell accessories too. So I do plan on having some other stuff, but I ended up finding a vendor to custom make my edge wraps and my bonnets. So excited about that. They came it's Saturday, they came Thursday. They were a little bit delayed. I think it's because of the coronavirus, because it was supposed to be here in 3 days after being shipped. But it took about 7, which wasn't really bad. It took about 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks to get manufactured, but I'm grateful. Y'all, tell me why. So I was at work and I had my roommate pick this up, right? From outside. Tell me why they decided they wanted to power wash the walls outside. So my box ended up being wet, right? Thankfully none of the contents inside were wet, and this is completely covered in tape, so it really wasn't affected for real. But I just want to show y'all my bonnets came in this big bag, a super big bag. And I ended up taking the top off because it was like one of them suction bags. Because I'm like, how did this fit in this little thing? But came in this bag here. And then they just put the edge wraps in the box. And then it comes with, oh, this is so cute. It comes with the product details. Oh, y'all, I can't even see this. Y'all, I can't wait to buy the rest of my stuff. Like, it gives like little examples, like tags. I don't even know who these businesses are, but it puts all of these in here, I guess, to support. Let me get my life together so they can put mine in here so people can buy my stuff, okay? Y'all, it's like so many. Yeah, bro. They finna make me have to contact them. They have examples of thank you cards, and these are, I'm gonna try to make my own first, and then go from there, cause y'all, I'm just cheating before I order it. But y'all, this is looking really cute. Like, I might have to have them make me some eventually. Like, the people that I talked to, they're really sweet. Great communication. The prices weren't too expensive because I spoke with a bunch of vendors and y'all, they was texting, and this vendor ended up just reaching out to me, and I was like, okay, you know, what are your prices, baby? Amazing. They were great. So yeah, I think I might have to hit them back up. This is so cute. And it gives me the, wow. Yeah, I might have to ask them because the price is cheaper. Yeah, I'm definitely asking them. I think for the first round, I might just, you know, make my own, because I still have to get a printer and everything, and I'll go through that with you guys. I might take you guys to the store with me. But I think I'm going to reach out to them because the pricing on here is really like amazing. Like, you get 500 business cards for $30, and you get 1,000 sticker labels for $40. So I was just gonna make my own. Oh, they got hair. I'm happy, y'all. As you can see, I'm gonna have to sit down and go through this one day. But anyway, let me just, you know, show these. I just got these out straight out the box. I'm so excited. Let me take one off of here. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's upside down. Here we go. It's probably backwards on the camera. I'm so y'all see it? Like, I'm so excited. I can just wrap it around. Sorry, y'all, my phone started tweaking, but y'all, this camera's giving me the flux. Well, this, anyway. So yeah, this is the edge wrap. Like, those are the edge wraps. Just gonna untie this. Take it off. And we take out a bonnet to show y'all. And these are the bonnets. I keep having it upside down. And then they are like this. They are reversible too. I wanted to have some other color options, but I thought this would be cute with the pink. But I'm gonna come up with some other options. It's just really because of my logo. Like, that's really what it is. Let me try this on actually. Let me see which way is it. Y'all, I don't know why I'm acting slow. Oh, here we go. Ooh, I think it fits well. This is what it looks like from behind. I don't know if the logo is right, but this is what it looks like. Now, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, super duper excited. Yeah, I can't wait. Like, I just have to take some pictures first. And once I take the pictures, I'll put them on my website, and I'll probably open up my website after that. So I did buy some things to take my photos, and to put the bonnets and scarves in. So hopefully it works out. Might be a little tacky, but oh well. Trying to make sure y'all are good. So I went to Hobby Lobby. Trying to figure out if they were like canceled or not. But I ended up in there anyway. But I ended up getting some art bags to put the bonnets in. So I think if I just like fold it a certain way, I can put the bonnets in here. Cause like I thought they'll be mailed to me like an individual packing to like resell. You know, I'm not mad. So excuse me. So I put them in here. Hopefully it fits, and that way I can just seal it, make sure it's protected in the packaging. And then I bought some smaller ones for, well, these aren't the same ones, but I bought 2 of those. And 25 in each pack. These are like $4 or $5 a pack, and then these are for the edge wraps since they're smaller. But it's pretty much the same thing. And I bought 2 of these. These were $4.49. Kobe has an attitude, y'all. And then I bought these 2 little things to take photos on, and these are $2 each, for like $1.99. So we're gonna make some shake, okay? We're gonna make some shake for these bonnets and edge wraps. I think it'll bring out the logo a little bit more. We'll see. We'll see. And then I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree too and get like a little poster board and take those photos. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope it works out, y'all. Like, and I think I'm gonna end up ordering from this vendor again. They're really sweet, and I think I'm gonna order some of the business cards. And then when I get like my printer and stuff, I'll make sure I let you guys know, and I'll show you guys how I made my own business cards, because I did make my business cards already. I just have to print them out, and I have to make my thank you cards as well, and I have a way to do that too, to save some extra money. But I'm gonna like compare the pricing, because I have to buy like a printer, ink, the paper for like the different cards and stuff I need to give out, and just a lot. So at that point, I really, truly, and honestly might as well have the vendor do it for me. But I just don't want to wait too long, you know. So I might do both. If I'm buying like that, I might do both. We'll see. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Kobe thanks you as well. I'm sorry he's being like a brat today. I love him though. He just really wants my attention, and it's early. So like we just woke up maybe like an hour or so ago. But yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank y'all. I'll keep you guys updated. I will put the link to my socials in the description box below, and I'll let you guys know when my website is open. But thank you guys. Peace. I wanna try.